Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore UMALAS the Villas area in Krobokan on 4 December 2021. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment in UMALAS area, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore UMALAS area, the Villas area in Krobokan on 4 December 2021. If I turn left at the front, that is the way to go to Seminyak, but I keep continue driving straight down because we will explore UMALAS area. And now we are in UMALAS 2 Street. In this area, in the left side and right side, there is a lot of villa. And also in this area, there is not so many souvenir shop. So that's why even during the pandemic, this area is not so many people walk around on the sidewalk. And usually this area is very busy with the traffic because UMALAS in between Seminyak and Canggu area. Yeah, but today we can see together. It's not so many traffic today. Actually, I make this video around 11 AM and I make this video around 8 minutes without skip along the way in UMALAS area. Okay, so far you can see right side and left side there is a lot of villa, but the street so far still empty. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people missing this area in UMALAS. And also don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali during this pandemic. And as I told you, in this area there is just a lot of villa but not hotel. But in this area also we have hotel we call UMALAS Resident. It's the biggest one hotel in this area in UMALAS. Oh, there is some tourists driving by motorbike. They're going to buy the shortcut to go to Seminyak area. Okay guys, now we continue driving in UMALAS 2 Street. As I told you, this area will have the biggest resident hotel in UMALAS. We call UMALAS Resident. You can see at the front left side. Yeah, this is the UMALAS Resident. Oh, there is some car parking there. That's really good. Yeah, in this area, back to villa area. Okay guys, if I turn right at the front, that is the way to go to Seminyak. If I turn left, that is the way to go to Brawa. But we continue driving to explore UMALAS area. And now we are in Bumba Street, still in villa area. If you see this area, it look green, isn't it? And there is a lot of land still empty. Yeah, there is some tourists driving by motorbike. That's really good. At the front right side, there is a villa. And left side, there is the land is empty. Maybe one day you can buy the land here and then you can make a villa around here too. That will be good. Because this area is easy to go to Seminyak or go to Canggu area. Because there is many shortcut road to go Seminyak or Canggu. Yeah, at the front, if I turn left, there is the shortcut to go to Canggu in Brawa Beach. But now we turn right to explore Bumba Street, still in UMALAS area. You see, left side, empty land, and right side, there is a lot of villa around here. And also in UMALAS area, we have some recommended restaurant. Oh yeah, there is a tourist driving by motorbike. That's really good. I'm really happy to see that. And you see at the front? Yeah, there is also some tourists driving motorbike. Look busy, isn't it? There is a lot of tourists. When they come to Bali, they stay long term because they're using visa business to come to Bali, so they stay a long time in Bali, maybe like around 2 or 3 months. So that's why they rental motorbike and they drive by themselves. To rent motorbike in Bali costs around $5 per day, but if you rent for long term, it's gonna be like around $4 per day. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Bumba street. Yeah, so far in this area it's not so busy. Oh, this looks so busy around here. If I turn right at the front, there is the way to go to Denpasar, but I keep straight driving because we will explore Bumba down street in UMALAS area. Yeah, in this area, it looks quite busy, isn't it? Because in this area, it's like shortcut from UMALAS to Brawa Beach. And also in this area, still a lot of villa. So you can see a style, left side and right side, there is a villa. And also in this area, you cannot find souvenir shop. So that's why there is no one walk around on the sidewalk. Yeah, but I'm really happy because there is a lot of tourists driving motorbike today on this area. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in UMALAS area, the villas area in Krobokan. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.